Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's see it together. Firstly, let's see the outside package is the blue VCI anti-rust bag. Here this is the label, and the first line is our Shumatt's brand, and the second line is the product code F00VC01305. Actually, by the way, the logo label, packages, etc., all we can support customized service. Let's see the inside. This is the transparent bottles, can be better protect the product. Okay, then let's see it. Inside is 1 layers oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed. For this one, the plug cable inject number is 044500147, and the plug cable vehicle core is Tata. The valve cap on the groove deal with the coating figures here, and this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to clean it, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. That's a small tips Caitlin for you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. I wish you have a good day. Bye.